Hello, this video is for Anna and I'm just showing how you can make very good food against cancer. Turmeric has something called curcuma, which is also the Latin name, Spanish name for turmeric. And that compound is extremely good anti-tumor. If you mix it with black pepper, normal black pepper, then you have a good combination to stop tumors from growing. And then I have salt, and this is how I make my very simple food. In this mix I'm just putting the vegetables, so I'm going to do that I've chopped up, and it's going to be bok choy today. So I make smaller pieces. I'm just going to steam it, and if I see leaves like this, I like them even more, because I like what the bugs like, because then I know there are no pesticides. So I add this, and I'll have to chop up some garlics as well and some onions, so I'll be back. So hello, I'm back, and here you can see how I added my bok choy, which we love. It has sort of a nutty taste. And you can also see here that I don't care that they have been eaten by bugs. I actually see that as a very good proof that they don't have any chemicals. I clean them very well, of course, before putting them in my pan. I have tomato and I have onion. Tomato gets healthier when it's cooked. There are some components in vegetables that are actually better off cooked, and it's when there are fibers that tie the healthy nutrients like antioxidants too much, so it's hard for our digestive system to get them out. So cooked tomatoes, they know, are more, as it's called, bioavailable when they are cooked. And then I have onion, which is excellent for anyone who wants to stop tumors, and garlic. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to leave this now to, as I call, breathe, because when these breathe, they create the antioxidants in them. And we went through this in class yesterday with cabbage and cruciferous vegetables. I'll be back soon. So hello again. Here are my fresh vegetables, and today we actually chose to have fresh beans chopped up in the salad. So I'm creating a salad with normal lettuce that is hard to get here, so we don't use so much of it. And then I have cucumber, a little bit that we had left. I have basil, which is in this case holy basil. As many herbs as possible is always good to put in your food. I have apple because it's very nice with some sweet taste, and it also helps digestion. It doesn't need to be a lot, just a few small pieces of something sweet, so that the saliva, when we have it in our mouth, gets both salt and sweet and start digesting better. And then I have celery leaves. You know, the celery that I showed you yesterday is a little bit different here, so they have a lot of leafy celery. And then I'm going to make the dressing. I'm going to put this all in the bowl, and I'm going to make the dressing and show you. Right, so time for the dressing. And this is always quite interesting for a lot of people, because we use tofu to make it creamy. We dedicate a lot of taste, thinking, and preparation to the sauces, because as you know, I'll show you again what we have done in the salad. You see, crudité, the fresh vegetables, they don't have any taste except for the dressing that we are making. So this is really the cooking coming now to make the sauces. And I'll show you also the steamed veggies that we have steamed now. You see, so this is not much of a taste either, except for the yellow turmeric, pepper and salt in the beginning. Now, I showed you before how I make my beautiful water. So this is just normal green tea that I put in water and then in the fridge. Here we have another one with flowers. So I have lavender flowers and pea flowers, which is a flower we have here that contains blue antioxidants, same one as in blueberry. I also put bergamot because I had those peels, and a little bit of rose that I love because it makes this like very sweet, nice taste. So, and then I keep this in the fridge. Whatever is left over from first the cold soaking and then the boiling is like this, in this case ginger and green tea, and I don't throw it out because this green tea is still very healthy. So I've soaked it cold and then I soak it when I boil it. So I extract it with cold water, just normal soaking and boiling, and after that I put it in my mixer. So let me do that for you, because this is going to become the dressing now. So I'm going to add everything here into the mixer. And Ray, he likes papaya, and me too, a little bit of sweetness to the dressing. And this is mint, and I forgot to peel the garlic, so I'll have to do that. If you hear something, we have monkey visit, so I'll do this a little bit fast. They're around here now. Into the mixer. I have to taste this too. If it's spicy, it can't go in the dressing. No, it's spicy. So we usually eat healthier than just white rice, but when it's a little bit of a party day, we give ourselves white rice actually. So here I have my cooked vegetables. Ouch, they were hot. And then the salad that we made, or the crudité, which I showed you with the apple. And I add a little bit of oil. You can see here it's organic extra virgin olive oil, which is quite expensive here. So I don't use very much because we don't need very much. Actually, it's the opposite. In Spain, for example, they have tradition of almost boiling their food in oil. Not good. I'll have this one on the side because it's a little bit picante and Ray can't eat that. And then I have this sauce that I made. So I just have to mix it a little bit to come mixed again, and then I pour it over my food. So that's the dressing with tofu. It's a little bit thick, and this is my lunch. Very homemade, takes 10 minutes and not more. Okay, I'll post this for you. Bye bye.